Hello, this is Dan Alford with Arc Specialties. I'm out in the lab with Jim Walker, one of our welding technicians. Got an interesting project I wanted to share with you. Jim, what are you building?
So this will be an all weld metal test specimen.
So this is for Sharpie, impact toughness, tensile strength, yield strength, all the mechanical tests.
Yep, 100% weld metal, zero dilution.
Looks like a lot of passes. How many you got in here?
520 or so.
And how many to go?
Probably 200 more.
And that's going to be a 12 by 10 by 2 inch specimen.
Yep.
What a lot of people don't realize is that even on rolled plate, the material properties differ depending on which direction you take them. And in the additive world, we're just starting to learn which directions you can expect different properties, and that's exactly what Jim is doing here today. So what is this machine we're using?
This is our Arc 6. It's a CNC controlled machine that we use here in the lab. It does MIG, it does TIG, it does plasma, it does keyhole, it does powder feed, it does wire feed, multiple powder feeds, AC, DC, variable polarity. This machine does everything.
But no, it's not for sale, because this is a great lab machine, but it's not a production machine. But we've done everything on this, from creating armor to welding rock bits. It's a workhorse for us. So what process are you using on this one today?
This is TIG, gas tungsten arc welding.
Hot wire, cold wire?
Hot wire.
Why are we running hot wire?
You get better deposition rates.
About what are you depositing with this? It looks like a pretty heavy bead.
This is about 4 pounds an hour.
4 pounds an hour. And this is working to a spec that you're expecting to use in production.
Yes.
So we're following a welding procedure.
Correct.
Here. Well, I'm looking forward to seeing the results. I hope they come back soon.
Me too.
Arc Specialties thrives on problems.
Send us yours.